Everybody, and welcome back to a Soup Surf video.
Hello! Go check out my channel! Van has a pan! But I'm changing the YouTube channel name and the picture.
Soon. Well, if you're changing it, then what are you going to change it to?
I don't know yet, so I'm just saying Van has a pan right now, because they can just... I'm not going to change it until like next week. Well, not next week.
Okay,
Today.
As you can see, I literally just didn't... I just paused it right before I got an egg. But we were doing the weekly hunt for 10 eggs. Easter eggs, because we need it. Oh, I think there's one down there. Oh, you can see through. Look at how cool Iceland is. Alright, now it is time to the focus and settle in for try to get the east. Oh, there's one. We got 6 now. So 4 to go.
6?
Yep. And
you
then
only got 2.
Well, I had 4 before.
Oh.
Oh, and there's another one. How lucky are we?
7.
What? Okay. We are almost done with our weekly hunt.
Wait, have we made that video where I lost my tooth? We forgot to make a video when I lost my other tooth.
Oh, we did. We'll probably make another one soon.
Yeah, because I lost 2 teeth and I pulled them out myself.
Did?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So, we're so close. Please.
I thought you were going to tell the story. Okay. I just saw lava, I think.
Mm-hmm. You did just see lava. Oh, thank you, bouncy shoes. Okay, that's 8. We are so close. We have 8. We are so...
I used to be so bad at it.
Oh, ignore it. I wanted to ignore it. But the jetpack's like, no sir, you are riding me today.
So, ooh, that's cool.
I just noticed how wrong that sounded.
I'm very wrong.
Okay. Blink, a doink, a zoink, a plink, a plink.
I like the moving trains because, I mean, it kind of helps you a little bit.
Yeah.
How it moves.
Okay, come on. Oh, no. No, my face cam. Face cam, what are you doing? Oh, yes. That's
you
9.
have when you're cleaning my shirt.
Oh. Yeah. Weekly hunt complete. Let's not crash. Okay, I crashed. Hoverboards. Huzzah, I need hoverboards. Please give me more. Yes!
I'm working on a Rubik's Cube and I'm very
Well, I get 3 head starts that are so cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching this weekly hunt. I got eggs. I'll have 20 and 25 coming up. So I will see you guys in the next video. Watch out.